3, 2, 1.
Who was first to win the U.S. Masters 5 times? The answer is B. Jack Nicklaus. I have a heart that beats on the highway. What am I? The answer is B. Racing car. What is the fundamental force responsible for binding atoms in a molecule? The answer is B. Strong nuclear force. I'm a capital with a famous wall. What am I? The answer is D. China. When a bottle of strong perfume is opened at the front of a classroom, the smell gradually spreads throughout the entire room. Which process explains this occurrence?
The answer is B. Diffusion.
Who is the Roman god of thunder? The answer is C. Jupiter. What was wrong with the house Jennifer buys on WKRP in Cincinnati? The answer is C. It was haunted. What map shows the locations of several genes on the X chromosome? The answer is B. The linkage map. Which author wrote Norwegian Wood? The answer is A. Haruki Murakami. I have thousands of faces, but I only show one at a time. What am I? The answer is C. A movie frame. Which of these European countries shares a land border with Sweden? The answer is D. Norway. In standard time, how many minutes are in an hour? The answer is A. 60. Which part of soccer goalkeeping equipment catches the ball? The answer is B. Net. The process in which materials move depending on their heat relative to nearby materials is known as what? The answer is B. Convection. I'm a device for measuring things. When you measure something, I get shorter. What am I? The answer is A. Ruler. What was the first website ever made? The answer is A. Infomate, created by Tim Berners-Lee. I'm often broken and used to clean, but my job is done before any work begins. What am I? The answer is D. Mirror. Which novel by F. Scott Fitzgerald is set in the summer of 1922 at a Long Island resort? The answer is A. The Great Gatsby. Which of these involves the formation of a new chemical substance? The answer is D. Rusting of an iron chain. What is the quantum of action in physics? The answer is D, Planck's constant. I'm a box of mystery, made of atoms. What am I? The answer is C, Atom's box. When electrons move from one atom to another, they become what? The answer is D, ions. I am worn on the foot, but not for walking. What am I? The answer is C, hat. What is the world's fastest land animal? The answer is A, cheetah. At the beginning of the movie Jaws, a girl goes out for a swim and is eaten by the great white shark. What is the girl's name? The answer is C, Chrissy. Which kitchen gadget is used to open bottle caps? The answer is A, bottle opener. I can swallow a ship whole, but I'm not hungry. What am I? The answer is B, whirlpool. Which river flows through Rio de Janeiro, Brazil? The answer is D, Rio Grande. Who wrote the opera The Flying Dutchman? The answer is B, Wagner. What is a group of stars called in astronomy? The answer is C, nebula. The piano keyboard has how many white keys? The answer is C, 72. What was the name of the first successful artificial satellite? The answer is A, Sputnik 1. I have many keys, but can't open doors. What am I? The answer is A, piano. I have cities within me, but I can't house people. What am I? The answer is A, map. What was the debut album of Elvis Presley's daughter, Lisa Marie Presley? The answer is A, To Whom It May Concern. I'm worn on the head and can be round or square, but I'm not a hat. What am I? The answer is A, beret. What is another term for joules per second? The answer is C, watts. I have cities at my feet and oceans on my head. What am I? The answer is A, Atlas the mythological giant. Which material is a good conductor of heat? The answer is D. Copper. Which tool is used to cut wood? The answer is A. Saw. What genre is reggae? The answer is D. Dub. What school play did Cindy star in episode 3 of The Brady Bunch? The answer is A. The Frog Prince. I have many chapters, yet I end too soon. What am I? The answer is A. Novella. I'm not alive, but I scream. I have a head, but no body. What am I? The answer is A. Echo. Which student does Slughorn Horace not favor in the Harry Potter series? The answer is C. Ron. What two foods were the staples of the diet of the Sumerians? The answer is A. Beer and bread. What happened to John McCain Roman III while serving in Vietnam? The answer is D. He became a prisoner of war. Which psychologist is known for the Milgram experiment on obedience? The answer is D. Aaron Beck. Which hormone stimulates growth and development? The answer is D. Growth hormone. Which ocean is known as the Wild West?